Hello everyone. Today's topic is what is the homestead agroforestry system. So homestead is the home and the adjacent area of that home that is occupied by the family, and it is considered as a good production area. So homestead agroforestry is also known as the homestead production system, and in this area there is integrated production happen of the livestock production, then forestry, fruit, vegetables, etc. So homestead agroforestry is the smaller unit or smaller area, and it is done in rectangular shape and in raised area. So there are four different types of homestead agroforestry system. The first one is the marginal homestead agroforestry system, and its size ranges from 0.02 to 0.08 hectare. Then the homestead agroforestry system, its size is 0.08 to 0.14 hectare. Then the medium homestead agroforestry system, 0.14 to 0.02 hectare. Then the last one is the large homestead agroforestry system, and its size is more than 0.20 hectare. So here are different types of homestead agroforestry system, and it is divided into the two part, that is horizontal homestead agroforestry and vertical homestead agroforestry. So in horizontal homestead agroforestry, the border of the area is covered by the different fruit trees, that is coconut, jam, that is tall in height. Then in interior part there is a papaya cultivation and mango, etc. And in the central part there is the shade of poultry or cattle, or small annual crops are grown in the center system. Now the vertical system. In vertical system, it is not static system, it is considered as dynamic system, and it frequently changes according to the need. So some benefits of the homestead agroforestry are that the farmer can or the family can get different types of can fulfill their different types of needs, because they are getting all fruit crops, vegetable crops, etc. And also they are getting the milk production from the cattle. Then next is it increases the risk bearing ability of the farmers or of the family. Then it is also environment friendly, and it improves the environment. Then it increases the soil fertility status.